Equipped for work. Everything for your workplace. Spectra Mesh Office Chair features. With its distinctive Italian-inspired design and ultra-slim profile, Spectra brings a fresh sense of style to any working environment. The flexible mesh backrest suits users of different sizes and is breathable, helping to keep you cool and comfortable throughout the day. The Spectra's ergonomically shaped backrest has the additional support of a height-adjustable lumbar support pad, which is adjusted into position via a sliding system in the backrest frame. The contoured seat pad is generously proportioned and features a waterfall seat front to help ease pressure on the thighs, aiding circulation. The chair also has an integrated headrest with angle adjustment to help support the head and neck. The tilt mechanism is operated by the left-hand lever. Pull the lever up to unlock the mechanism and allow the chair to float freely. Push the lever down again to lock the chair into the required position. The hand wheel at the front of the chair adjusts the tilt tension to suit your body weight. Turn clockwise to increase the tension and anti-clockwise to reduce it. The tighter this is set, the more tension is created when free-floating. For a more ergonomic experience, set the tension control to suit your body weight and unlock the tilt to encourage your body movement throughout the day. By lifting the right-hand lever up, you can adjust the seat height to your ideal position. The chair is supplied with fixed height armrests, subtly shaped for a comfortable resting position. The Spectra comes with a fabric seat pad and a mesh backrest in the selection of 6 popular colours. This is combined with a contrasting white frame, armrests, 5-star base and twin-wheeled hooded casters for a really modern look and feel. The chair comes with a TUV and BIFMA-tested gas lift and supports users up to 110 kilograms, 17.3 stone. Foams are fire retardant to British Standard BS 5852 levels 0, 1 and 5 and fabrics to EN 1021 parts 1 and 2. The Spectra comes complete with a 2-year manufacturer's guarantee for up to 8 hours use per day, so you can buy with confidence. Available from stock and delivered flat-packed or fully assembled on a free next day or day of choice delivery service from Equipped for Work. Everything for your workplace.